Donc je suis avec Wassima, une des présidentes de ce club. Je vais lui poser quelques questions suite au match que nous venons d'effectuer. Donc Wassima, qu'est-ce que vous avez pensé de ce match? So what did you think about this match?
Well, firstly, I wanna thank you for coming.
Yeah.
The match, it was an awesome experience. I think the boys, they were exposed to rugby on another level, and it was tough. But our boys, they did their best. They did us proud, and we must say, well done to the French team.
Donc d'abord, elle souhaite nous remercier. Ensuite, elle pense que les gamins ont été confrontés à un rugby d'un autre niveau. Elle pense que les gamins des Rangers ont donné leur maximum et donc cela les a rendus fiers et ça a été une très grande expérience pour eux. Now I would like to talk about you about the future. Maybe one day you will come to France. Donc peut-être qu'un jour vous viendrez en France.
Oh wow, absolutely, what an opportunity. We need the international exposure. It will be very good for the club, it will be very good for our boys, because they would not only be exposed to club rugby, but they would actually be exposed to international rugby on another level. And I think that is what our boys, that is what our rugby community, that is what we actually need. So we actually need to forge ties with you, and we should actually move forward on that. It's a beautiful proposal. Thank you.
Donc elle pense que c'est un super projet, elle pense que c'est exactement ce dont ont besoin les enfants d'ici, de se créer une expérience, que ce soit au niveau rugbystique mais au niveau humain, de voir un peu la vie en Europe. Donc maintenant, je peux vous l'annoncer, on va essayer de travailler avec Wassima pour que eux ils puissent venir dans notre pays à leur tour, afin de créer leur propre expérience. So, maintenant nous allons parler un peu du travail que vous effectuez pour aider les enfants à sortir de leur quotidien pas forcément facile. So now we're gonna talk about the work you do to help young people,
Yes.
young players to have to get out of their daily not really easy.
Okay, look, we stand firm by our motto that we are a community club. So what we do is we try very hard to nurture and harness potential when we see potential in players. So it is here at this field, this very field today, where potential is harnessed, where we look after the players, and we put in every effort to see our players grow and to move to the next level, because we only want the best for the players, because at the end of the day the players is what makes the club, and we as the management of the club, we will do everything in our power to ensure that every player at our club gets fair treatment, is getting the same amount of exposure, and therefore us forging ties with the French team, it's taking rugby to the next level, and also it is something that many of our players, they have never ever dreamed of, and I do believe that we can make the dream come true for our players.
Donc là, elle a surtout parlé du rugby et de son club qui veut donner l'opportunité à chacun des gamins d'exploiter son plein potentiel. Elle pense vraiment que le rugby leur permet de s'épanouir et leur permet d'avancer dans la vie entre guillemets. Et elle, ce qu'elle souhaite, c'est vraiment que chaque gamin puisse exploiter son plein potentiel ici, et c'est pour ça qu'elle pense à venir en France. And last question, what the club of Rangers does for the township?
Okay, what we do for the township, firstly we've got a soup kitchen on a Friday. We've already identified our challenging families. So what we do is every second month we make a food hamper. We deliver it at the parents' house. The management does that, because in that way the player can see that we actually care about them, and not only them, their family at large, because we want every player here to feel part of the family, and we need to include them, because everyone must share the same treatment. So no child or no player at this club must feel that they are less or underprivileged, because we believe in inclusivity. Everyone is treated equal, and our soup kitchen our feeding scheme that we have, and every second month we make the food hampers. We deliver it at the houses of the challenging parents that we've identified. So in that way, and also the most important thing that I think we need to remember is the fact that our goal is, and our primary focus is rugby. But at the end of the day, what we're also trying to do is we are trying to keep our young players off the streets, because our children are falling ill to social evils like gangsterism and drugs and all of that. And we believe that if we allow them to engage in sport, they will not want to engage in social evil. So we are trying our level best, and I do believe with assistance from the French side, forging ties with you, we can actually move the club forward, and we are humbled by the proposal of doing so. I thank you.
Donc la traduction, en fait leur but final c'est de sortir les gamins de leur quotidien où ils peuvent être gangrénés par les gangs, par les drogues et par les autres choses malsaines qui traînent par là-bas. Du coup, le rugby, ça leur permet d'inclure les gamins et d'inclure aussi les familles. Pour cela, la chose qu'ils font, donc comme on l'a expliqué tout à l'heure, c'est de donner la possibilité aux gamins d'exploiter leur plein potentiel. Et la deuxième chose, c'est que à chaque fin d'entraînement, chaque vendredi soir, ils reçoivent un repas. Et aussi, une fois par mois, ils font un repas pour toutes les familles. Du coup, les enfants, quand ils rentrent à la maison, ils viennent avec un repas qui va nourrir toute la famille. Et du coup, ça leur donne envie de revenir davantage et de rendre ce club totalement communautaire et social. Merci beaucoup, Wassima. Cheers a lot. It was a real pleasure for me, an honor to come there. Cheers.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.